Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I am collabing with Double Dip Nails, and I'm going to show you guys this polygel kit that they sent me. So it's so pretty and shiny. I'm so excited. So if you don't know, I am not new to this, honey. I have been using Double Dip for over a year now. I started out actually using their dip powders, and then they came out with a polygel kit, and I went ahead and purchased it when I saw it with my own coins, and I tried it out, and I really loved the polygel kit. I posted a video a few months back of me using it. I also just did this set using their polygel kit as well. And this is the classic kit, I believe, is that I used for this one right here. So this is their nude and their white. So I really like working their polygels. So I was so excited when they sent me this because y'all, honey, y'all know I just love nail stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the kit and then show y'all me doing my nails, okay? So the kit is coming with these little rhinestone looking things right here. It comes with instructions, of course. It comes with this cute little lamp. So you can just, you know, pop it in place and then cure your nails. Now, if you watch my channel, you know that I absolutely hate nail forms. However, theirs actually are pretty cool. They are not so ill-fitting. The reason why I don't like dual forms is because I just feel like you always have a little gap. But theirs aren't so, I can't explain it, but like this, the way theirs are shaped, theirs actually do pretty well. So, I mean, these are their dual forms. And their slip solution is actually nice too. Y'all know I'm anti-slip solution. I usually use either alcohol or the base gel, but I actually like theirs as well too because it actually glides smooth. So hold on, guys. I'm doing this the hard way. Let me show y'all the rest of the kit. So it comes with base coat, top coat, and 6 different colors. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors. I'm going to show you guys me doing my nails and all of that. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So these are the colors that come in the kit. The one all the way on the far right is color changing, and the blue one is actually glow in the dark. So I decided to actually do these on my mannequin hand because I ended up using their dip powder on my nails and it wasn't time for a refill. So yeah, I posted that video yesterday. So if you guys want to see that, I'll make sure I leave that link in the description box. So I just ended up doing these on my nail hand from Red Iguana. So I'm going to do an ombre nail on this nail. So I'm just patting this green color into place, and then I'm going to cure it whenever I see fit. Just FYI, these tips I did get from Amazon. This is my first time ever using these tips, and I actually like them. I'm not really a big square girl, but I actually like them, so I'll make sure I leave that in the description box as well. I came in with a little bit more of that teal green color because I wanted to come up higher on the nail, and I am using a combination of their slip solution, which you can see in the top right corner, along with some base gel. So really just using the base gel to go ahead and glide it, and then if I have to come in and pat it anymore, I've been using their slip solution. So I kind of go back and forth. So I try to keep this portion as thin as possible because I know I'm going to have to come back and encapsulate at some point, and I don't want super thick nails. So just keep patting the shape, and then I cured it. And then on this one, I'm coming in with the color changing gel. I was so excited about this color. I think it's beautiful. But on darker skin tones, I just wasn't a fan how it was looking after the color change. Like, I like it right here, but when it color changed, I just wasn't liking it. So I'm kind of glad I did not put this on my nails, because I just don't think that it would have complemented my skin tone. Not this color, but when it changes the color. I don't know. That's just me. Maybe it can be in my head, but I don't know. I just like things to complement my skin tone. So I'm just patting this into shape because I wanted that French nail, and I don't want to do all of that filing. So I tried to get my shape as clean and crisp as possible and then just cure it. So you can see when I cured it, it changed to like a white color. I mean, I think this would be really, really cool on certain tones, but like I said, I just don't think on us darker skin people it's that cute. It's just missing something, I don't know. So anyways, I come in and I decide to ombre this nail, so I put that same color on the nail. I'm using my slip solution along with my base gel, and I like to just do a straight line across and kind of build up my apex as much as I can and then lightly feather it down into the other color. Now, I wasn't too perfectionist-ish on this nail because I knew I was going to come in with a little glitter and where that line actually is. So I mean, I could have taken my time and did the line a little bit more perfect, but since I knew I was going to cover it up, it wasn't really a big deal. So I'm coming in with the glitter that came in the kit. I do feel like I left this off of the video. The kit also came with 2 different glitters. It came with this one and then another one that's a little bit more holographic. So I wanted to see this because I just wanted a hint of something. So whenever, I don't know, just to give it a little oomph. So I apply that on the nails and then I cure it. And then this is a glitter from the kit. I went ahead and applied this. I really wanted it to have more of a bluish color, but I wasn't sure how it was going to look when I mixed it. So instead what I did was make a thin coat of the glitter, and then I came over it with the blue, the glow-in-the-dark blue, to give it more of that greenish blue tint. So for my pinky nail, I was going to just do it fully this sheer pink color that came in the kit, but as I got going, I could still kind of see through this nail, and since it's not a real nail, it had that white looking color underneath. So I decided to just stop right here, cure it, and then I came in with more of that teal green color and then just kind of ombre that up. So right here I'm coming in with the blue, and this is their glow in the dark. It's very sheer. It's not like a super dark color. So I just added this on top and then I cured this nail again. I messed up and I accidentally let the polygel cure to the paper towel, so you might see some little things at the tips, but I end up filing that off. But I come in with the teal green color and I just work my way up just to where it meets that pink color, and then I kind of just fade it up just a little bit because once again I'm going to put some glitter on this nail, so it's not a big deal if it's not perfect. I cured these nails. This kit did not come with a clear, so I used the sheer pink again to go ahead and encapsulate my 2 glitter nails. And then once I encapsulate them, I went ahead and cured my nails for a full 90 seconds, and then I did my last nail. Now that pointer nail, I decided to just keep it simple, and I decided to just keep it teal from beginning to end. After fully curing the nails, I file shaped and buffed off camera. I used their top coat with these nails. I did add some underneath that middle nail so that way it can shine a little bit better. I went ahead and dipped them in cold water so you can see them now. This is the color I absolutely love. At the beginning, it was hot, so the white was there. So because that color changing polygel. But overall, I definitely give this kit a 9 out of 10. I really want to give it a 10, but it doesn't come with a clear. But I definitely will be using this kit over and over and over again. And you'll be seeing some more of this on some more videos to come. So thanks for watching. See y'all later. Bye.